and let's rename this. We're going to call this 0. Then we duplicate, Control D, and this will be 1. So first you have to ensure that they are all the same thing, in the same group and same name and same everything. Okay, just delete this. I want to group these guys. I want to group these guys first. Group, then duplicate. So we're going to take this one down because we want it to slide up. Take it down and give it the opacity of 0. And we come here, prototype, drag it to this place. After delay, let's say after 1 second delay, then the animation should be what? Should be smart animate. Let's leave it as ease out for now. Let's see what we've done. When you watch it again, you can see the animation. Okay. Let's add over. Let's add the over animation to this. Again, we duplicate. It will be 2. Let's add over to this button. Let's drag it down a little. Then we come here, move it to the side, and we say while hovering. We come here also, and we drag it to this artboard, and we say mouse leave. And that is all for the animation.